How to contact WavePad support. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official WavePad website at www.ncs.com.au. Next, from the top menu, select the support section to open the support page. Here you will see different support options based on your needs, such as technical support, registration or activation support, pre-sales questions, and more. If you need help getting WavePad to work, select I need technical support and then choose WavePad from the product list. If you recently purchased the software and need help with registration or activation, select I need registration or activation support to contact a customer service agent or recover your registration key. For questions about purchasing, pricing, upgrades or refunds, choose I have a pre-sales or purchasing questions. You can also select options like purchasing backup CDs and manuals, uninstalling the software, or managing subscription charges if applicable. After choosing the right option, you will be guided to submit your request or find helpful resources like facts and guides. If you do not find what you need, fill out a form with your name, email address, and a detailed description of your problem or question. After submitting your request, the WavePad support team will get back to you via email as soon as possible. You can also check if they offer live chat or phone support, depending on your region. Additionally, you can explore WavePad's community forums or social media channels for further help. And that's it. Now you know how to contact WavePad support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.